Hello everyone, this is Alex from Albu Studio, and today we are going to do an unboxing of FitBit Charge Free. If you are new to the channel, I'm talking about technology and cryptocurrency. So if you are into that, consider subscribing to my channel so that you don't miss any further updates. If you've been following my channel, you probably know that I'm using FitBit Charge 2 for more than a year. Today I've got FitBit Charge Free, which we are going to unbox and check out. Okay, so now we are going to unbox our FitBit Charge Free fitness tracker. Let's go. On the back you can see a sticker of FitBit like this, and let's pull it out. Perfect. So we have our tracker, an extra bell, a FitBit charger, and some documentation. So let's unwrap the tracker. You can see that this tracker is thinner than a Charge 2. It also features a touchscreen and it's water resistant. I will try it out for few days to give you a proper review compared to Charge 2. I will do a review on Charge Free in few days after I get some testing. I will also be putting a link to Charge Free in the description below so that you can check it out.